and that would be Rockhampton. Where are we going, Joe?
To the zoo.
So at the Rocky swap meet. Go at the back and have a bit of fun.
Alcohol is banned possession of alcohol is banned in Woorabinda.
Zero carriage.
Yeah.
Heading up to Mount Archer, and then the plan is to have a little picnic up there and then go to the zoo and check out the animals. I believe the zoo is free, so that's another bonus. And even another bonus is they have meerkats, so I'm looking forward to seeing those meerkats.
Yeah.
Should be good. And the weather is fantastic. Look at that, fantastic weather. This is the road up to Mount Archer, and I think we actually head across to the left there through your dirty window. Archer National Park. We must be really close to the summit, and I believe there's a pretty good view of the whole of Rockhampton up here. Well, there's the communication tower.
It's a cute little motorbike. Oh.
Spider. So we've got the some lookout there, and you've got these walking tracks, and I believe there's a good place to view Rocky from here. We've got the grass trees here. There's a bigger grass tree there. It's quite
Nice walking track.
It is a very nice walking track. It's got information as we go down. We've got the soap tree. Got places to sit. They've even got lights, so you could probably come along here at night. That's lovely. Certainly heaps of grass trees here. Look at this big double header here. Here's a beauty. Native raspberry. So this is one for my sister Annette, the Australian bush turkey. She's really good at making it sound.
La la la!
And you got
La 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 la!
That's a pretty good joke.
Does it sound like Annette?
It does actually. So this would be the viewing platform. And that would be Rockhampton. So from the main viewing deck there, you've got some pretty big decks that go around here, and you can actually walk all the way around and have a look. It'll be worth a bit of money, I reckon. These nice places here, so if you actually came with a group of people, you just sort of sit down here and have a bit of a chinwag in the sun.
There's a few walks to go on.
Yeah, it's a couple of walks, yeah. Let's go out this way. It's pretty good how they've actually got around the trees, and otherwise I could have just cut it down, but you're safe, mate. So here we're looking out to the northeast, and I reckon I can see a bit of the ocean right through there too. That's a fair way. Here's another way they've looked after these trees. See what they've done here? Make sure the tree's looked after. And that's actually rubber.
It's a saddle.
It's a saddle, so the tree can grow and not get damaged. So we're actually enjoying nature, and then we see this orange slide up here. That's pretty unexpected. Facilities here are really good. We've got the Fitzroy River that flows through. We're up here at Mount Archer, and then you've got Rockhampton down there. I'd say this cafe opens on weekends and probably public holidays. You've got good toilets over there, nice and clean, and you've got this lovely view and grassed areas here. But yeah, it's actually really nice. Where are we going, Joe?
To the zoo.
And it took us ages to get a car park, and then someone just left behind us, so I had to do this massive reverse park, but it worked. Welcome to the Rockhampton Zoo. Open 7 days, free entry. Now that's a bonus. And Joey's getting the information. What do you got there? Oh, guide and the map. Well, that's pretty important.
That's it there.
Yes. There are a high number of snakes around at the moment. Please stay on the paths. That's pretty scary. Hey, the meerkats. Gotta have a look at the meerkats. This one's looking. Oh. Oh, I think they might get fed. But there we go. They know this. They've got some food for them. Yep, they've done a runner. Over here, when you're really, really tired.
He's having a great merry old time. There you go. Behind there.
Emus. There you go, man. What's happening? That's Sean, and he's having a bit of a sleep. He's had his leaves, and now he's having a bit of a sleep. There's a little wombat. He's just having some tuck. He's a bit shy. He's hiding behind the tree. There he goes. Come on. He's going to go down his little hole, I think. Well, I'll just sit here, thanks. A really good example of a dingo over there. He's got his deck to sit on. There's Mr. Crocodile down there. He's got a nice little pond to swim in. Holy dooly, look at the size of that one over there. It's a big boy. Yeah. He looks happy, he's eating the tourists. So, recent crocodile sighting in this area. So I reckon that's where he is over there. Just looking at these guys over here thinking, breakfast. Went all the way around here to the crocodile and the kangaroos, the emus, and then back around here to the chimpanzees. We're on the hunt for a barbecue. We went into the zoo and we couldn't find any there, and we've walked a fair way to the kiosk and the playground, and I think I can see a barbecue. We don't have to eat raw hamburgers. That's pretty cool. Playground. There's some friends. So we've got a cafeteria here, which is really nice, and some beautiful trees.
What's the time?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, look at the size of that clock.
Oh. You can see the clock?
That's pretty cool, isn't it? So at the Rocky Swap Meet, Saturday the 5th of August 2023. Some of the things you find. That's a bargain, 45 bucks.
Yeah.
Can't find a bargain here. There's something wrong. We've got everything. It's huge. That's pretty impressive. Bit of work in this one. More car bits there. An old engine over there. Ah, there's the caravan. This is our setup at my brother's place in Rockhampton. We're having some friends over tonight, so Joe and I have helping out with some of the cooking. So we've done our famous chicken satay there. And in here, hey Joey, what are you cooking?
I cooked a quick beef casserole.
Quick beef casserole. Let's have a quick look at the quick beef casserole. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's looking pretty good. I've just got to do my veggies now and go at the back and have a bit of fun. So this is a monument to Captain James Cook, who was here on the 26th to 28th of May 1770. We've got a time capsule there. It's not to be opened until the 2070. And this is the monument here, but they call it the singing ship. And some days we don't want the wind, but today we do. And if you listen closely, you can hear the wind actually blowing through here. We're currently staying at Rockhampton with my brother Brad, and we're going out today to do a work trip. And where are we going, Brad?
Hello, OZLAPN. We're going to Woorabinda, which is an Indigenous community about 2 hours west of Rockhampton.
Yep.
And we look after the high school and the medical centre out there, so we're just going out for a routine, well, sort of routine visit to work on some IT.
Matt in the back there. Matt's one of the senior operators in the business, IT guys, and yeah, so it should be a good day. We'll see a bit of the countryside as well, and if we see something interesting, we'll let you know. So we're heading to the turn off to Woorabinda. And we've got 46 kilometres to go. On these back roads we find roadworks, and there's an interesting looking vehicle there. Wouldn't mind that actually. What does Woorabinda stand for, Brad?
Kangaroo sit down.
Thank you. Oh yeah, it's on the sign. You read that. Okay, with a grid
A few
here.
rules to know about when you're coming in.
Okay, they are.
Door-to-door traders are not welcome.
Yep.
Not allowed to approach any place. Do the right thing. And if you look on the road, you need to contain your paint containers.
Oh yeah, so that obviously didn't there. So was that from you last time, Brad?
No,
or-
that's been there for years.
Okay.
And alcohol is banned possession of alcohol is banned in Woorabinda.
Zero carriage.
Yep, $75,000 fine or 18 months in jail. But I love coming out. It's quite laid back and easy, and yeah, lovely people to deal with. So no, I look forward to coming out here, and also the fact the phone doesn't work for half the trip means I don't get annoyed. I get to have a little bit of me time.
Good. Okay, looking forward to it. Airstrip. That's probably where the flying doctor comes in.
Yeah.
So this is the dump point in Rockhampton. I'll tell you what, it's nice and clean, and yeah, caravan motorhome dump point located here. Heaps of area here to turn around.